Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ram 1500 water pump. First, let's prepare. You'll need to gather your essential tools, such as a variety of wrenches, sockets, and a large drain pan. It's critical to ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, drain the engine coolant into your prepared container. Now, let's get to removing the old pump. Begin by releasing the tension on the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt from all pulleys. Next, disconnect any hoses that are connected to the water pump housing. Once clear, unbolt the water pump from the engine block. After removal, take your time to thoroughly clean the mounting surface. This ensures a perfect seal for the new pump. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. If your new pump requires it, apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant to the gasket. Carefully position the new water pump onto the engine block, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Then, tighten all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 25 foot-pounds. Finally, reconnect all hoses and the serpentine belt. You're almost done. Now, refill your cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, usually around 3 gallons. It's crucial to bleed any trapped air from the system to prevent overheating. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine, let it warm up, and carefully check for any leaks around the new water pump. Ensure the engine reaches its normal operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.